What if I told you that most of the matter in the universe is completely invisible? Not invisible like camouflage or transparency, but truly undetectable. It doesn't emit light, doesn't reflect it, and doesn't absorb it. You can't see it, you can't feel it, and as far as your senses are concerned, it might as well not exist, and yet it's everywhere. This strange unseen stuff is called dark matter, and it makes up about 85% of all the matter in the universe. Every galaxy, including our Milky Way, is surrounded by an enormous halo of it. Without dark matter, galaxies would simply fly apart. Gravity alone from visible matter isn't enough to hold them together. We know it's there because of its gravitational effects, but we have no idea what it actually is. But let's imagine for a second that we could change the rules. What if you could touch dark matter? To answer that, we need to first understand what makes dark matter so untouchable in the first place. See, all the matter you're familiar with, your body, your phone, the air you're breathing, is made up of atoms. And atoms interact with each other through a variety of fundamental forces: gravity, electromagnetism, and the strong and weak nuclear forces. But dark matter, as far as we know, it only interacts via gravity. That's why it doesn't form planets, doesn't clump into stars, and doesn't crash into other stuff. It just floats through everything silently. In fact, billions of dark matter particles are passing through your body right now, and you don't even feel it. They zip through the Earth as if it's not even there. So let's imagine a twist in physics. Suppose we discovered a way for dark matter to interact with normal matter in a meaningful, tactile way. Enough for us to reach out and touch it. What would that be like? Well, for starters, it wouldn't be like touching anything you've ever experienced. Most theories suggest that dark matter is incredibly dense, far denser than any material we know. Imagine holding a chunk the size of a sugar cube, and it weighs more than a skyscraper. The force needed just to lift it would be beyond anything the human body could manage. If you could somehow reach out and press your hand against dark matter, assuming it didn't pass through you or destroy you instantly, you'd probably feel a surface with unimaginable resistance. It might feel smooth and featureless, or perhaps it wouldn't feel like anything at all. Just an overwhelming alien force pushing back. But the real fun starts when we think about what would happen around us. If dark matter started interacting like normal matter, with atoms, photons, and all the forces we're used to, the universe would change drastically. Remember, right now, dark matter passes through everything harmlessly. But if it started colliding with normal matter, the results could be catastrophic. Picture trillions of tiny, high-speed particles smashing into the Earth's atoms, creating heat, radiation, and structural damage on a massive scale. Your own body would suddenly become vulnerable to invisible bullets moving at hundreds of kilometers per second. These aren't just sci-fi threats, but they'd be real, constant, and unavoidable. It could be like walking through a minefield made of physics, but let's say we somehow tame it, isolate it, contain it, and safely touch it. Now we enter the world of speculative science, and maybe even science fiction. Dark matter could become the ultimate material. Its density, if controllable, might allow us to build structures more compact and powerful than anything we've ever created. It might lead to incredible energy storage systems, propulsion technologies, or even new forms of computation. It could unlock a whole new era of technological revolution, one powered by the physics of the unknown. But here's a twist. The moment we start interacting with dark matter normally, does it stop being dark? Dark matter is defined by its invisibility and non-interaction. If we can touch it, see it, and use it, maybe it's not dark matter anymore. Maybe it's just matter. That's not just a technicality, it's a philosophical shift. We'd be rewriting the very laws of physics that have governed our universe since the Big Bang. Of course, all of this is hypothetical. So far, every experiment designed to detect dark matter directly, from deep underground labs to particle colliders, has come up empty. It's one of the biggest mysteries in modern science. By the way, if you like this content, remember to subscribe and like. And yet we're closer than ever. New detectors, more sensitive instruments, and even creative uses of astronomical observations are all hunting for signs. The truth could be just around the corner, or maybe we'll never touch it. Maybe dark matter is a reminder that the universe doesn't owe us answers we can touch or see. Maybe it's the cosmic equivalent of a secret, always whispering, never shouting. And maybe that's okay. Because sometimes the most powerful ideas aren't the ones we can hold in our hands, but the ones that expand our minds. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember, you're surrounded by something vast, mysterious, and untouchable. And maybe, just maybe, one day we'll reach out and touch the darkness itself.